We have now been introduced to two ways of training. First, we focused our attention on an external object like a pebble. Second, we used the training of observing and holding the breath. The third method is to catch hold of the attention without any breathing practice. In other words, instead of focusing the attention on the breath, do not keep anything in mind at all. Simply leave the attention as it is. Being mere beginners, we do have thoughts. We think about this and that, and so, when trying just to be without keeping anything in mind, we find all sorts of thoughts keep filling our minds. During this practice of letting mind be, you do not need to entertain thoughts of the past or future. Instead, let go of such thoughts and simply allow yourself to remain casual, relaxed, and clear.